Hello friends, today I am telling you about the flea market. Flea market sell your neighbors can buy the products on your market. Other players worldwide can see and buy your good goods too. Tape to the tape to get your coins and advance your progress. Tap the avatar below to see your neighbor's market. Now here need 6 different buyers to get today's reward. So we can collect this reward by different 6 buyers. Here 4 more. Now 3 more. 2. 1 more. And now we have successfully got the market package star 5. This is very nice reward. Now we are opening 104 flea market package. Very nice. We have got OPs and lot of coins and 208 blue stones and green stones. Thanks for watching. Happy farming.